Today, I have my friend JJ here with me. He's so enthused about helping me take this drywall down. Isn't that right?
Yeah. Let's get this shit.
JJ, say hi to my subscribers. And stop cursing. This is a family-friendly channel.
I'm sorry, guys.
It's a family-friendly channel.
We're going to bleep that out.
He's a bleep lie. Okay, so today we're going to be taking down the drywall today. So all we have to do is get a knife or something to score the, the corners of this, so that we can easily pull the drywall off without damaging like the ceiling or the other adjacent walls. JJ is going to be working on taking off the face plates to, what's these things called again?
The face plates.
Right, the face plates to the sockets and switch for the electric outlets. And then, yeah, so I'm going to score around while he's working on that, and then we'll be back. Actually, no, we won't be back. We're going to keep going. Stop.
You do what you do and let me do what I do. Guys, it's going to be some arguing during this episode. Is there a reason why we still have these curtains up?
No, I was saying that the other day.
Is it for the ambiance?
You could definitely take them down. And actually, we can take down the, we can take down the,
Yeah, I thought that was the barrier.
I'm gonna leave that channel.
I told you we need some bleeps. We need some bleeps. These tough walls.
Yeah, these walls.
This ain't that new drywall.
No, that's sheetrock. That's old ass shit.
Sheetrock. I can't even.
Yeah. So here's what we're gonna have to do. Okay, you guys. Plan B. This sheetrock is way too heavy to score. This ain't no regular sheetrock. So what we're gonna have to do is literally just chip it. Excuse me. I'm talking. What we're really gonna have to do is just.
Where the hell you get that from?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
So what we're gonna have to do is literally just kind of piece the wall out piece by piece and try to just pull it. Suppose if you could you stop while I'm talking?
I'm sorry.
Jesus Christ.
Pussy.
Take 72.
Bruh.
Alright, so change your plans. Really? Change your plans. We are gonna have to piece this out piece by piece, because it's too thick to score with the with the tools that we have. Like, this wall is really thick and really heavy. I believe it's like old sheetrock that's been up here for years. Was built to never come down, basically. So I'm gonna piece it out, and just, you see these holes, we're just gonna probably just start with these opening holes and just literally just pull it out from there. Just pull what we can out from there. So yeah. So we'll see. How you think this is gonna work, JJ?
Let's try.
Whoa. We're gonna try to be very careful. Right, JJ? So we're gonna try to be very careful, right? Okay, you guys, so as you can see, we've already got started pulling things down here. Got about a quarter of the wall out. Just trying to get these edges out. the corner, excuse me. If you can see around where JJ is. We've scored along this wall here. We was able to score it, but it's still, because of the thickness of the wall, we weren't able to, because of the thickness of the wall, we weren't able to, it's not like a precise clean line, so we'll have to do a little cleanup over here, but that's okay. You see? The wall plates have come off. The electrical boxes are exposed. Being careful not to hit these pipes where these pipes are. Trying not to hit the pipes, okay? So that we won't have a big water issue.
Snoop Dogg. You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E. Yeah. You know who's back up in this.
Okay, so on this portion, you will see where JJ is taking off the corners or the edges of the drywall. He's doing that so that we don't mess up the wall beside the one that we're taking off, and also the ceiling. We don't want to have to do too much patchwork after we're finished to those other walls that we're not taking the wall down on. Also, you'll see me using like a little molding remover. Like, it's just a tool that I use for a molding remover. I was using that at first to try to take the tile off. Then I'm just like, forget it. I'm going to use this pry bar. The pry bar is going to just pull it all off at once, and we'll worry about the rest later. So that's exactly what you'll see me doing, and you see us playing around a little bit, but that's it.
You're gonna let out frustration?
If you only knew, Amir. You only knew.
You what?
How frustrated I am.
Why frustrated? You here with me and mommy.
You need to be here with me and mommy and hurry up. That crap up, throw it in the bag.
You alright?
Yeah.
You fell?
No. I pulled it, and then when I pulled it, it hit my knee. Oh.
You okay?
Yes.
Yeah. You need knee pads.
Clearly.
You trying to move too fast.
I tried to pull it too hard. That's what happened.
I'm trying to be like me.
I almost took my knee out.
Girl, look, I got bad knees. You can have bad knees too.
Now that's a blooper, that's for sure.
Man down.
Oh man, ow, it hurt. You know how it's something hurt and it be hurting for a little bit, be tingling? And it was this part too. Good thing it wasn't this. That shit took me all the way out.
Down for the count.
And that baseboard need to come out too, JJ.
Molded.
Yeah. Baseboard. Oh shit, I'm thinking my phone was over there. It's in my pocket. Alright. Woo!
There you go.
So right now, I'm just taking this off. I'm a little focused because I just learned it today. This ain't even screwed into nothing.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, yes, it is.
Screwed into the box.
Yeah. They're so loose. One thing I know how to do is screw. How? Oh, unscrew in this case.
This baby's in the room.
What you mean? I'm talking about this.
Okay.
Okay, now just pull it out.
Pull it straight out.
Jesus.
Okay. Now turn it to the side.
Well, good luck finding that needle in the haystack. Ah, found it.
Eyes don't never work, but they work. Alright. Use the big
This one here.
Okay, on this part here, I was taking off the wall outlet, and I just wanted to come on and say, make sure your electricity is cut off. That's why it was a little bit dark in this clip, because I had cut the power in the kitchen entirely just in case these wires were still on for some reason, because my fuse box, my circuit box is not properly labeled, or like different wires are hooked on to different parts of the house. Like, I don't know, it's configured weirdly because it was done like a long time ago, and I think it's just been kind of like patchworked since then, so I didn't trust any of the electrical wires in this house. Also, my friend JJ, he was showing me how I was supposed to properly cap the wires, because I have not dealt with electric at all. Like, as far as I'm not an electrician, so, and he's not either, but he's, you know, done HVAC. He's been a handyman at different complexes and things, so he knew how to properly manage or handle these wires so that no one gets hurt or injured in this process. Yeah. So I'm just going to finish this up here. I'm actually going to go ahead and speed it up. Okay, then you're just going to push them back in, making sure the ends don't touch. Voila. I don't know what has come to live here in this wall, but this is definitely a nest. I don't know if it's a bird's nest or a squirrel's nest. Something came to live here. Is that a wasp? Is that a beehive? Like a wasp hive? Oh my god. How? It's a wasp's nest. Here and here. Oh my gosh. Definitely. Wow. Okay. And the tree goes all the way down. You scared too, nigga. That's why you in the wall like that. You scared.
I don't know
JJ scared.
I don't know what the hell I'm flying.
You trying to kill it before you get out. You trying to scare it out of it.
How you know? I want you to. I want you to run out. Like, come on, run out and do go where you want to go.
I'm not gonna lie. I did used to hear stuff like running around in the wall. I used to thought it was a mice, but maybe it's a squirrel.
There's a big ass squirrel. I mean, a little ass squirrel.
Squirrels ain't that big.
Squirrels don't live in houses.
Yeah, they do. Let me get the load. Well, no, you go ahead and get the load by that 240. Oh, I'm glad the power's off. So that was what you're doing, Jay. On today's treasure hunt, found a fork, put it on the wall, some cups, and whatever this is. It says sage. Oh wow, it's sage. Yeah. What in the heck? So, a little history about this house. It used to be a farm here. They used to have a farm. And so maybe the old owners used to can or something back in the day. And I don't know. This can't be from nobody that old. This is plastic cup. But this, I don't know. Very interesting. Very interesting. Okay. So on second thought, sage definitely could be used for ghosts. So I definitely put that back right where it is, and it's going to get repatched up behind the wall again, because I don't want no ghosts flying around in the kitchen making me burn my food. Okay, so I'm all done taking down the drywall, pulling out the nails that are left in the studs. I had to go through the entire wall, pull those out. Also, you'll see that I'm took down the window frame. The bottom part was pretty stuck down. It was super glued by paint because it's been painted 1,000,000 times. But we were able to pry that off of there. I'm trying to decide whether or not I want to go ahead and just put new windows in, since I already have the window frame exposed. Definitely need new windows, because while I was cleaning a window, it just pretty much fell on my hand. Like, they don't stay up on their own by themselves. So yeah, so let me know in the comments down below if you think I should go ahead and replace the window. I think I will anyway, but your comments are appreciated. Thanks. Alright guys, that's a wrap for today. As you can see, we got everything there today. As far as the walls go, we took everything out. I don't know why these blinds are still here. They're still here. They have no purpose, but they're gonna go eventually. So all I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna clean up, get everything out of here so it's nice and clean for when my electrician comes in tomorrow. So we'll see him soon. His name's A1. We'll be fixing some of these electrical boxes. All the power is still currently shut off as far as the wiring and things like that. So yeah, stay tuned. We'll see you next time. Hey, did you guys subscribe to my channel yet? If not, click the link down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified when I post new videos each week. Thanks guys.